going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the TCL 10 Pro in the new Forest Mist Green color. So a couple months back, I did unbox the Ember Gray color, which looks really nice in my opinion. But recently, TCL has released the Forest Mist Green color on Amazon. And a big shout out to TCL because they did send this device out to me for review so I can share with all of you this new Forest Mist Green color. So thank you very much, TCL. Removing the plastic from the box there, as you can see the packaging here, very nice. TCL 10 Pro. You got a picture of the device to the front and back of it. To the side of the box, you're going to see some of the specifications there, like a 6.47 inch display, and this is going to be an AMOLED display. You can watch HDR10 videos on this display. You got 4 cameras to the back, 128 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM, and a 4500 milliamp hour non-removable battery. Display greatness. Super excited to unbox this. Let me go ahead and cut the seal there so we can see, the Forest Mist Green color. And I'm also going to share with you all the contents that are included in the box. So removing the top portion of the box there, I'm going to get that off. There we go. It's a nice snug fit there. And we got the TCL 10 Pro, package very nicely, as you can see there. So this little pull tab to the bottom there for moving the 10 Pro out of the box. And as you can see, a protective film on it, TCL 10 Pro. Display greatness. I'm going to go ahead and place the device off to the side because I want to share with you everything else that is included in the box. So removing this insert here, let's see what we have underneath it. So removing that insert, you do have your SIM removal tool there. Now that's going to get you access to the tray where you can input the SIM card as well as an SD card. So you have expandable storage on this. And then opening up this little booklet here, you have a included case with the purchase, which is fantastic. It has display greatness written on it. Then you got some reading material included as well. You're also going to get your Type-C data cable for charging up the 10 Pro, as well as your TCL branded wall brick. And this is capable of quick charge 3.0 as well as OTG reverse charging. And to the device itself now, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this Forest Mist Green color, removing the protective sleeve there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the right hand side and take a look at that nice green color. Wow, that looks really good in my opinion. Now you got your antenna line up on top, you got your volume rockers beneath that, and then you got your space power button. Take a look at the bottom now. You got your single down firing speaker, your Type-C charging port. You also got your tray there, which is going to house your SIM card as well as your micro SD card. Then you got your 2 antenna lines to the right and left side. On the left hand side of the device, you got your textured smart key button there, which you can basically set to launch specific applications, Google Assistant. It actually works extremely well. And then up on top, you got your 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster on top. So a headphone jack, IR blaster, I mean, those are features you just don't see anymore, and it's good you got to have the 10 Pro. Now to the back, you got that quad camera setup with the main sensor being a 64 megapixel camera, and then you got a 16 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel camera to the back. An LED flash on each side, and I love the fact that these cameras are just pretty much nice and flush to the back. You get a wide variety of shooting modes on this, like panorama, portrait mode, pro mode. You get a super wide angle mode on this, TCL branding to the back, and just take a look at that nice green color here. Now this is a glass back and it is curved on each side, and so you got a curved display and you got a curved back on this, but the back is a nice glass panel. It's a matte finish, so it's really not going to pick up a whole lot of fingerprints and oils off your skin, maybe just a little bit. And I'll go ahead and share with you how the included case looks now on the 10 Pro, and as you can see, display greatness there. So it's really nice that you're getting this case right out of the box, so you have some protection. Now there are a couple cases available on Amazon for this device, and I actually have those cases coming, and they should be arriving any day now. So you'll see some case reviews for the 10 Pro in just a couple days. Now, side by side with the amber gray color now, and as you can see with both color options, they both look great in my opinion. I think TCL knocked it out of the park with the two choices to choose from with the amber gray and the forest mist green. You got that quad camera set up to the back, and again, a lot of different shooting options available with these devices. 3.5mm headphone jack. You got expandable storage on this up to 256 gigabytes. This also has Bluetooth 5.0 with super Bluetooth, so you can connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices on this. 6.47-inch curved AMOLED display, 398 pixels per inch, and a 93% screen to body ratio. In-display fingerprint sensor, and as you can see, a very small cutout there for the front-facing camera, which is not intrusive. You can watch HDR10 videos on these devices. Android 10, and this is scheduled to get the next version of Android. And this does have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675, Adreno 612, 6 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of internal storage, just to, name off some specifications. But mainly on this video, I wanted to unbox this device, share with you the new color option you have available, and also give you a side-by-side, comparison with the Ember Gray, as well as the new Forest Mist Green color. So, you got the two color options to choose from. Now, right now on Amazon, you can actually save $70 on the TCL 10 Pro. So normally this retails for $449, but there's a $70 off coupon available on Amazon's website, which brings this device down to $379. And for all these specifications, that's a fantastic deal in my opinion. And I highly recommend picking up the TCL 10 Pro. I've been using mine for about 5 months now, and I've been very pleased with this device. So if you're interested in picking up the TCL 10 Pro, I'll drop a link in the description below of this video. It is my affiliate link, and if you make a purchase, click on the link. I'll get a small kickback, a small commission, which helps out the channel so I can bring in more devices and accessories to share with all of you. But that's pretty much it for this video. And again, thank you very much TCL for sending out the review unit so I can share with everybody the new color option with the TCL 10 Pro. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.